Hey guys, and welcome to day 29 of the 40 days of pours. This is the dried result from yesterday's video. I always love having metallics in my paintings because it definitely just brings another vision to the painting. I don't know, it gives it another look. I don't know how else to describe it. Okay, and so today we are going to be doing a paint kiss feather pour, and this is my first attempt, but it's kind of almost like another pour that me and Olga worked on together, so I hope I get this. And what you have to do is you do one black cup and then the rest you fill with your colors. So for this one I am going to do silver as the base, pink, turquoise blue, and gold. So I know she starts with the black cup over here and then pours the colors so that it's going kind of over the black. So I'm going to start in this corner and then have them kiss and go very slowly. I literally can't see what I'm doing, so I hope I'm doing this right. Still got a little bit left in my cup, but I don't want to run off. You can see I was a little uneven with my pouring. I don't know how well this is going to look like a feather, but we'll see. I mean, kind of. It's definitely abstract for sure. I'm going to leave it alone and stop messing with it before I mess it up too much, and I will bring you guys in for our close-up. Alright, and here we are for our close-up. As I said, it's definitely abstract. It's different, but I like different. So I like this. It's growing on me for sure. I know it doesn't really look like a feather, but it looks awesome, I think. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I will be back tomorrow with the dried result.